Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting an OB belt for a while now and I finally made one for myself. In this video I'll share with you guys how I made my OB belt with rope ties and pink tassels. So to start off, I doubled my fabric and cut 32 inches of fabric by 5.5 inches. My waist is about 30 inches, but I added an extra 2 inches. Then I shaped the edges to give them more of a triangular kind of shape, sort of like a tapered kind of shape like that. Then I sewed the edges and turned it inside out. I ironed it out to make it flat. And then I proceeded to the rope ties and cut out strips of fabric that were the same length as my rope and 6 centimeters wide. I folded it in and sewed about a centimeter inwards and turned it inside out. I inserted my rope using a safety pin . And you notice that it's a little bit loose, so to make it tight, to make the fabric around the rope tight, I sewed it down the entire length of the rope using a needle and thread, using sort of like a hemming stitch. Then I inserted it into the belt and sewed it in. I inserted these little knobs at the end of the ropes and added the tassels. The tassels are actually from a pair of earrings that I got, and it was simply a matter of just removing the lobster hooks and putting them onto the ropes.